So you mean, kay Ina na ang kumpanya? Eh di ba mangyayari yun kapag pati na si Madam Aurea?
Nope. Nagpakasigurado si Ma'am Aurea. She didn't leave her shares in the De La Costa Food Corp to Ina through inheritance. She donated them.
What does that mean, Tito? Does Ina have immediate access to those shares?
Pero paano yung ibang mga ari-arian ni Madam Aurea? Ano yun? Pati ba yun mapupunta rin kay Ina?
Well, based dun sa nabasa ko kanina, no, halos lahat ng shares ni Ma'am Aurea from the company, kay Ina niya lang talaga i-donate. And once that Ina accepted, well, talagang magiging effective yun immediately. And she can take her seat anytime she wants as a new CEO of the company.
I won't let that happen.
But Charlie, you said earlier na ang De La Costa Food Corporation lang ang i-donate kay Ina. At yung ibang ari-arian, makukuha pa rin ni Joanna at Yuan.
Well, Sonia, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but that's not the case, okay? Pagawa rin si Ma'am Aurea ng document stating that disinherited na si Joanna and Yuan. So, ibig sabihin, kahit na ano pang mangyari kay Ma'am Aurea, mawala man siya sa mundong ito, they are no longer part of the property division.
Ano? Lola is so cruel! She left us with nothing! Hindi ako papayag na mapunta kay Ina ang De La Costa Food Corporation. At hindi rin ako papayag na makuha niya ang dapat para sa aming dalawa ni Yuan. Ilalagay ko si Ina sa lugar niya. And I'll make sure na hindi niya mabubuksan ang pinto papasok ng De La Costa Food Corporation. She has nowhere to go but hell.